What's the meaning of allegation? Allegation. 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 Allegation.
An allegation is a claim or assertion that someone has done something wrong, typically without proof or evidence. It is essentially an accusation that has not been proven yet. Allegations can be made in various contexts such as legal proceedings, workplace complaints, or personal disputes. When allegations are made, they must be investigated thoroughly in order to determine their validity. If the allegations are found to be true, consequences such as legal charges, disciplinary action, or public criticism may follow. On the other hand, if the allegations are proven false, the accuser may face consequences as well.